Welcome to JibJobs. This is a video guide to help you make impactful video CVs, specifically in what to say and how to say it. So I'm going to dive directly into the what to say. Your what can be easily distributed into three sections. Who are you? What is your speciality or what is your experience? And why should you be hired? Deep diving further into who are you? State who you are by stating your name, your education, and the number of years of experience, if any. For example, I'm Ravi and I'm a BA graduate from Hindu College, Delhi. I come with an experience of 2 years in the hospitality industry and I'm currently working as a sales associate at Taj, Delhi. If you are a fresher, then you may instead mention your internship experience. Second is your what. That means talk about your core strength. For instance, I'm a sales specialist with a proven track record. At Taj, I exceeded revenue targets by 20% average every year. If you're a fresher, then you could speak about a core strength in a subject. For instance, I come with my specialty in manpower management, and while at college, I have led many seminars and activities in this domain. Your core strength needs to reflect in some form of accomplishment or some form of action that you created in that area. And finally, finish with the third element, that is the why. Why should they hire you? Here is where you could speak something like this. I believe that the strengths and the values that I will bring to an organization is that I'm a team player and I believe in challenging myself every day. Currently, I'm seeking a position in a high growth organization in a sales related position. If you're a fresher, then something like this would work for you. What makes me compelling is my avid interest in learning every day and my attitude of never say never. Now combine these three elements, the who, the what and the why, and your script would be ready. Now let's look into the how of the delivery of your script. First things first. You need to be able to memorize your script. That means write it down, structure it well, memorize, spend your time learning and rehearsing it. It would not look appropriate if you were reading it out of a paper while the camera was on. Comes the second point. Once you've rehearsed the script, confidence to speak in front of the camera will come naturally. What you need to further infuse into this preparation of yours is enthusiasm. That means your body language, your gestures on your face, your hand gestures, all of them need to speak that you're enjoying the experience of even applying for this position. That's what we call enthusiasm in the way you portray yourself. Third thing, do remember, keep your video limited to anything between 35 to 40 seconds maximum. Keep it professional. Make it crisp so that people are able to take value from your delivery instantly. Fourth, record, play, collect feedback, and finally upload the one that deems best. I hope this was of value for you and you implement all the suggestions that are provided in this video. One little thing that I'd like to share with you. Please do take action because version 1 is much better than version none.